In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to automatically create a simple expense tracker in Google Sheets. This process will make managing your expenses easier and more efficient, using the powerful tools provided by Google. Before we dive in, you'll need access to Google Workspace Labs to utilize their Gemini AI Assistant function. If you aren't already signed up for this, don't worry, I'll guide you through the process. First, open your web browser and perform a quick search for Google Workspace Labs. Click on the first option that appears and sign in with your Google account. If your application to access the lab is successful, you'll be greeted with a confirmation message that says, "Success, you're in." Once you're successfully signed up and have gained access, go to your Google Sheets. Take a glance at the top right corner and you should see a button labeled Gemini. This is where all the magic happens. Clicking on that Gemini button opens up a prompt box. Here you can instruct the AI to create an expense tracker. So, go ahead and type "Create an expense tracker" into that prompt box. Press Enter. And just like that, you'll see the AI working its magic to generate a simple expense tracker for you. This feature is incredibly useful because it eliminates the need to start from scratch or have advanced spreadsheet skills. Once the expense tracker has been generated, take a moment to review its layout. If you're happy with how it appears, you can click on Insert, and the tracker will be placed directly into your Google Sheets. It's that easy. The beauty of using AI in this way is the flexibility it offers. After generating and inserting the initial tracker, you have the freedom to continue editing. Maybe you want to add more categories or features that tailor specifically to your personal or business needs. Don't hesitate to make those changes. You can also regenerate a new tracker if you're looking for a different design or additional functionalities. This process not only simplifies the creation of an expense tracker, but also saves a significant amount of time that you can spend on analyzing your expenses rather than setting up the spreadsheet. Plus, as you become more familiar with the AI's capabilities, you'll likely find other ways to leverage it for your projects. Remember, the goal is to make managing your financial data as straightforward as possible. And using this AI feature in Google Sheets is a step in the right direction. So go ahead, dive in, and create an efficient and functional expense tracker today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.